Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, I just decided to reinstall this way because it was lifting, and I want to rock it for like 2 weeks, and I did 1 week with it already. So I just wanted to fix it. So if I see any little glue or any little thing, rushing to Walmart, never finish up everything, but yeah, so me and babe out here, just a regular Sunday, nothing major happening out here. We just did want to check in with you now and make you know say everything good. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this channel with somebody. Always make sure to like the video and leave a comment down below. So yeah, that's what I want for today. So if anything else, we will chat. All right. Hey guys, welcome. What's up? Good morning. So today is a later start to the day. It snowed the day before, so there was no work, and then there's a delay day, so we get to go in to work. And you know, some little simple things that you're grateful for, some people might think it as whatever negativity it might be towards work. You know, everybody just look on things different, but for me, like, this is a blessing that school, for me, it's a blessing that school start. I had the day off and I have a late start to the day because I need as much time as I can get in the bed to rest myself. Anyways, let's get right into why I came on here. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I decided that I don't want to read my scriptures from my phone this morning. I feel like I wanted to touch a physical book. I have this book, I have this Bible, and I have the regular black Bible. The regular, yeah. I got this Bible and I haven't read it any at all. I got it as a gift from a church. I don't remember. I think this was in Canada. And I haven't touched this Bible any at all. I brought it down from Canada, brought it home to Jamaica, and I brought it when I was migrating. It's and the other Bible. So somehow I went, and then this Bible was on top of the other Bible. And I was, my mind told me from when I said I wanted to read the Bible, I've been reading Job. I'm gonna finish Job. I'm pretty early still in Job, but my mind is saying like, this morning we're going to go to Job. But I took up this Bible, and I don't know if I'm not following the word that said to read Job, but I was looking, and this Bible doesn't seem that it has Job in it, because you know them Bible, they were limited on certain scriptures. I don't want to lie, I've not been through it. It's not one of them full. I don't want to lie. However, it says answers for life's big questions, and it has so many different sections in it, and it just like have parts in it that say, you know, purpose, connection, hope. Is there any real hope for us and for the future? And so I saw that, and that was the one I decided I was going to choose. But I hope I'm not following the word of not going to read Job, because my mind can read Job, I'm gonna read something else. Yeah, so I'm going to do a little reading, and I'm going to read today from Romans 5 verse 1 to 11, and then I'm going to get ready to go to work, get up, tidy up, make breakfast, shower, get dressed, got the people in work. So God, I'm going to read Job, you know, but I feel like I want to read something from this too. So let's see how quick we can do that. Yeah, I was watching something and I heard somebody, or saw, or somebody commented and say, whenever you're about to read the Bible, make sure you pray before you read it. And I wasn't doing that. I normally pray after, but I think thinking about it, it's good to pray before, ask God to allow you to understand the word, and then pray after. Ask God to allow you to whatever you would have read, let it, render with you, understand, clarity, everything. So we want to read the Bible. Come read the Bible. Let's get into morning. The sun now look like him. I go show up to them. Never check the weather. It's almost 8 o'clock and out of the gloomy and dark and sad. Let's give God thanks for we have though we have life, so let's go. And yes, my bed check because we wake up about that and I eat make a sing and read my Bible before I clean it up. I'm sorry, I came to the video before I went to my phone and then I came to the video before I read God's word. Wow, please. Alright, let's go. Oh, this word was not bad. This one was not bad, and I want to give you guys a quick overview because I gotta go. My time is going, and I'm always late, and I don't want to be late. I mean, I'm not always late for work, but I'm always late on the time that I always want to start the things. It said, faith brings joy. Therefore, since we have been made right in God's sight by faith, we have peace with God because of what Jesus Christ, our Lord, has done for us. Because our faith, Christ has brought us into this place, undeserved privilege, where we now stand, and we confidently and joyfully look forward to sharing God's glory. And I'm just going to leave that part for you, and this is from Romans 1, and you can read from 1 to 11, and in that it basically tell you that God sent his one son to go and die for our sins, and with that, because of our faith. So we have faith in whatever. Sometimes we're going through challenging times, and all of you have a faith. Sometimes you want some things happen and you see it possible. All you need is to have a faith, because God will allow us to reap our success at the end of the journey once we have faith in him. And faith is of God, fear is of the devil. So try to have faith. I know we are humans, we do have faith, we do have fear too, but it's really hard to fill up yourself with faith. But trust me, I can tell you, having faith is the best way out. Anyway guys, I'm going to get myself ready. I'm going to be reading this book more because I like that it gives me a topic that I can feed on, and I hope I explained it the best way I could to you guys. But this book seems like something I can feed on, and it has questions, good questions that you ask yourself daily. Alright people, we're gonna make the bed, make breakfast, and that's it. I don't sure if I will be talking to you guys throughout this vlog again until probably on my way to work. So big up on yourself. guys, I made a quick egg and veggie sandwich, a egg sandwich, and having my lemon, my ginger and garlic boiling, and I'm gonna go take a shower quickly. Hey guys, wagwan, what's up? So I'm heading home from work. I don't know the thing go. At the time when we can vlog, I don't know the thing go. So we're in the month of February. February for me is like has now become a month of interest. It wasn't always a month of interest like that until we got married in February. So I don't know, anniversary dinner is coming up in February. And then February has the Valentine's Day, and I mean, we haven't really done much for Valentine's Day. Kind of getting at the tradition for Valentine's Day, you know, to like celebrate and do the things and whatever. But I know a lot of people don't celebrate Valentine's Day. But can I tell you, over here it's different. You see, in Jamaica, where the Valentine's Day is really like for adults. Over here it's like a celebration for everybody. Adults, kids, teenager, everyone. It's literally in the stores are filled with Valentine's Day stuff. Like, it's all over. The school is decorated with the billboards, like they decorated with the not the billboards, the bulletin boards, the notice boards, like Valentine's Day. In the class they get to do Valentine's Day pick or Valentine's Day cherry. You know, in Jamaica we call it cherry. What do we call it over here? Gift, like card exchange. And over here it's not like a little thing like a Jamaica, where it's, you know, really for adults. Over here, master, all the pitney them get feel hot, get notice to carry home for, if them want to, you know, pick a person in the class. Yes, from it starts from all grades. I don't think they have a limit on it, but I think it's because we're in Jamaica, I think we all kids them stay. You know, like kids in general, their minds are whatever. But I guess the more we culture stay, you know, and we kids them stay, them try to really keep it to adults only. I don't know. But everybody over here celebrate Valentine's Day. From the picnic to the dog to everybody celebrate Valentine's Day. So right now, everywhere you go, I be a red. Be a red all over the place. Do they use red and white? I don't think is it red and white over here? I can't remember if it's red and white, but it's like I'm seeing a lot of bright red and what's that? Baby pink? Is that baby pink? Or, is it baby pink or light pink? Yeah. And they would have white, but those are the colors. The pink and the white are the two colors that I see the most. But yeah, that's what's up for the start of February. We haven't done anything much. The last of the outings was babe's birthday, and on the ear me again, but congested. Oh my god, Tash don't know one more for do. My husband one top car flu can't give me. Like, I really thought I missed it because it kind of go in front of him, and I look here. You see, I have never never been so sick when I was in Jamaica. When we come over here, I'm sick every second. Babe one tap car flu can't give me. Every time when I hear me congested and me sick, or the end. Every month me catch flu. I never catch a flu in a January. But me did have flu in a December. Me did have flu about November. Every month me have flu. Like by time, that's what tell us what virus are going on. Oh my god. So cold in here. So much virus that every second babe car flu gonna give me. I'm not trying to lie. If my car the flu them come give me. But I'm here still, heading home. We don't know what we're gonna do for our anniversary as yet. I am not sure. More like this. Okay, watch me slowing on the lights and we could have go. We're definitely probably gonna do like a dinner. Last year we did the big first year celebration dinner. First year celebration, you know, celebrating the first year anniversary. But this year it's just us. We won't be doing anything like that. It's gonna be pretty much intimate. So you know, want to do like intimate stuff, like, but kind of make it a little spicy. That's what I'm thinking in my head. So I don't know what we're doing. Last year we did the black and gold dinner with families and whatever. It was nice, and you know, if you guys saw that vlog, or if you didn't, go check it out. Yeah, but that's what's going on for this month. I really want to big up a few of my subscribers. Let me see if my brain good or I can't catch up on the name, because I'm driving and I can't go on the phone now. I want to big up Joy Palmer. Joy, big up yourself. Joy always a comment. Big up yourself, Joy. Enough love, enough appreciation. I appreciate the support. I wanna big up is it Shan? I don't remember all of your name, you know. I can't remember all of the name. What's the name? Shan, you know yourself. I pinned your comment in the last comment section. Big up yourself, girl. You don't know. I love and appreciate you. I love and appreciate every single person, but at this point I have the people who are always commenting in my comment section. I know uno always like a comment. Uno always like a leave a comment, and I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Me like literally just, you know, every video I have out there uno leave a comment. So I love uno. I love and appreciate all uno comment same way. Give thanks. Yep. But yeah, man, I have a few more people. I can't remember. Anytime I stop, I'm gonna get a chance to looking at the comment section. I will go and look and see who are the persons that needs to get them big up, because me I give uno big up. I go and give uno big up. Yes. So yeah. But I am going to make a stop at the bank today. I'm a little bit later than usual because I had to make another a business stop before heading home. So we did that, but I want to go to the bank. I want to get some cash. What cash? You not forget the cash now. You can go on next time. Where go? Where stop at our Tasha, where we're going home. We'll go home. Kind of old, kind of late now. No matter. Me's a lady. I don't know if I'm me want to do this. If me gonna spend more money and me have the money in our other account, me prefer to take it from the account than to spend it out of money I have now. And I can't do online transfer because this account is locked. So I can't do that. So I have to go in the bank to get the cash. So I can't do anything online when it comes on to that. And I think I have to lock down myself and restrict myself to make sure I save my money. If you have to do that, girl, nothing wrong. If you have to do that, sir, nothing wrong. Sometimes we have to put a restriction on ourselves to save money. And I have done that, and that's what I have been doing since I got here. And a girl I save. Until I reach certain age in life, it's like it's literally no more about certain things. You have to set your priorities straight. You have to start thinking about life. You have to start thinking about your age. You have to start thinking about everything. You know? You have to start thinking, say, look here. We're not young again. Babe turned 30 and baby's like, well, I feel, oh, that's a 30 feel. She have a flu and you have a little ache and whatever. You know, sometimes flu get like a pain and so, why, that's a 30 feel whole, man. Like, oh my God. Yeah, but I'm 27 next year, you know, 3 years from now, I'm 30 and, well, girl, we're in 2025. This year you're 28. I can't believe. I want them ask my mother. I said, Mommy, you did ever think, say, your daughter did I go turn 30 so soon? And I, you know, feel like I want you my born. Mother said, no. I think you're young. A long time you're born. A long time you're born. Oh my God. No, it feel like the other day, because I just the other day me graduated from college. It feels like the other day. I don't know if anybody can relate, but it feels like the other day me graduated from college. It don't feel normal. No, it don't feel normal. It feel like the other day me graduated from college. I feel like my mind is living slower than my age. If you don't understand what I mean, like, you know. Myself, you know, I'm like, why is time running so fast? I'm gonna realize that time I pick up faster than with me, literally, if you don't get what I say, you know. So I'm thinking like, me I say, boy, at this age, at about 24, I should be like 24 now, and I live the life here now, and then I have a whole time still left in my 20s, but life doesn't up like that. Life ain't like that. So I have to move with the speed of all life I go, and that's what I'm telling you. So like right now I am saving. I'm in my era of saving, of enjoying life, you know, thinking more like an adult. You know, because a lot of you, when you guys met up on this channel, know this channel, I was an adult, but I was just in the era of living life. That's how I live life. That's why we go to hotels. So every second, we go, every minute we go to hotel. Do you want subscriber them know? This is where this channel really, you know, catch up on a lot of its followers. A lot of people know me from a lot of hotel vlogs. And even though people still message me asking about hotel recommendation and whatever, that's when, you know, we used to go to hotel every second. Every other month, every holiday we're gone, but life has really changed. Because right now I'm like thinking, I'm like in my head, I'm like, me not take up myself go to Jamaica now, because for one me go one hotel, and for one me can't go waste so much money got hotel plus rent car, plus even though we family a place we go on down on the North Coast, and we ain't doing that. Look here, see, when you become an adult, you start think different. Like, you can be an adult and not think as an adult. You don't know that, right? You don't know that? So, what do you call it? Right now, we just reach my stage of being an adult and thinking like an adult. Did I get Jamaica never offer me the opportunity to save the money, so what would I save? But you save 2 bills. But you get like a pay and you spend 2 bills outside, the money done. Money done. Yep. Anyways, guys, I am home. I'm gonna head in, and that's what's up. I'm not sure what is gonna happen in this vlog, but I just want to check in with you know. I say, babe, I can't believe it snowed last week, and today it is 72. The high was 72. So hot. What I do hot when we go to school, short sleeve in winter season. in a winter season, scientists them a play with the world, you know. That can't normal. That can't normal? Can that be normal? Can it be 72 in winter in a place where it snowed last week? Last week it snowed? No, a week before. Week before it snowed. Week before, and we're still in winter. The weather say it will be snowing next week Tuesday and Wednesday, and today are 72, you know. Today are burned down, you know. Wow. Alright guys, we'll talk until we talk. I'm gonna go and big up on yourself. But I know what I'm going with some of my subscribers, you know. Some of Uno, when you now watch the video, we are used to getting a lot of vlogs going out in the thousands. 1,000 something. Some are not asleep. Or not asleep on my video, them tell me if me I do something wrong. What I want to see. Wanna let me know. Let me know. Because I don't know what's going on. A lot of you are sleeping on the vlogs for the last 3 vlogs. So let me know in the comment section. Alright, we'll talk. I'm going home. I'm home. I'm going in my apartment now. So oh god. Me on a carry jacket and I had to take it off. Guys, I got home and I mash up on mango. Yeah. Have this mango sitting over. What am I saying? Have this mango sitting over there for a while, and I totally forgot my mango. I'm going to be sharing my mango in my white clothes now. God, only taste some. Let me have him over there long time. Over the long time, but it tastes away. It tastes funny. Like he have one. Just funny. Capital napkin, babe. Mango tastes weird. You know how it tastes, so? It tastes like it have one dirt feeling. Or something with dusty, or dusty feeling. I'm not sure me have you over there so long. But you're right, no. I don't know. I'm jumping there freezer and get a little odd. You know? I didn't in our background. If you saw where I should our background. Not even did realize. We think them in video.